Goba malanga ya wafani mani.
Dumelang Sanbonan, hello my beautiful people. I am Obuhle Bandawo. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Speak and Frostan Diski podcast. On today's episode, we are bringing you classified, flavored content. Different location, same vision, same mission. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the chairman of the tournament host. I'm just going to dig deep within the whole point of the tournament station. Say, how are you? I'm good. Can you please introduce yourself to the people? Who are you? What do you do?
Nagena Rex Matividi. Kidula wana mo Tembisa. The tournament de jeli di bona ndira loka mo Tembisa ka fela ga tsona di build le ke nna. As batho ba Tembisa ka fela ba mpitsa landlord. Le ge ke le gona mo ke shebile di team tsa ka jelo re di araloka and then ke support di tournament tsa ka fela ke make sure ya gore di team tsa ka di raloka ga botse di behavior ga botse.
Okay, so looking at umsebenzi owenzayo, what inspired you ukuthi ube a host of ama tournaments? What is it, that one thing or few things that inspired you ukuthi ube a tournament host?
Gore ke be le tournament host ke tlhokometse gore mo Tembisa gona le crime e ngata ke a hafola crime e se le bona gore mo ground mo go tletse jwang banna ba khekolo le ba khalajo le bana ba ile gore ba biva gampe ba gona mo grounding ba avoided lo tsheding di direga go tshedimpe.
So how would you say this tournament is impacting positively kule community ya Tembisa?
Community ya Tembisa ke a rata nna because kadulo jona je ile gore ke a di dira crime ile go fast ke ntwe ile gore ke happy ka yona.
Okay, so what are your goals when you sat down and then you had this thing, I want to host a tournament, I want to host football tournaments? What was like going on in ngqondweni yakho? Like, what are your goals going forward? Okay, going forward, this is what I want to achieve, this and that.
Ntwe ile gore ke nyaka go achieve ko pele ke nyaka go bona di team tse di golo di scouta di player as di player tse dintsi tsa go tshwana le bo Tempazwane bo Mtshega Madisha ke di player tse dintsi mo Tembisa tse ile gore re di produce tsile ka di tournament tsa rena ke ntwe ile gore ke a inyaka eo.
Okay, thank you so much. So what would you advise someone who wants to go kulendlela le okuyo of hosting tournaments? What is that one advice you'd give to that person?
Ke motho a nyaka go hosta di tournament o tshwanetse a tsamaya di tournament a di lebelele gore di tsamaya jwang and then a kushishe football before a tlo thoma go hosta ke gona le re tlo ba success.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time, and we wish you nothing but the best, and we admire what you're doing for the community. Crime is such a huge thing around, and you stepping out and trying to prevent it, it's something huge. We wish you nothing but the best in your journey and your future in building the empire of our tournaments.
Yeah, no, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ritweri, one of the biggest fans of this whole tournament. My brother, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Lina Kisha, please introduce yourself. And udilaka ing abo.
Sure. Nagina Matlati Slepe from Limpopo. So Gimoten be some cow pusha the hustling and a jaka, mola luno, zola gamibere. So, follow the ball or on Wisha sister. Yeah, since if it moten be someone to look at a gay ball because of ke yone keep am busy from
Yeah.
the troubles and other things.
Okay, so no Shebile this whole tournament, ne? And then wabona there are people playing, kunengane who are here, babhekile ukuthi man ubani uyadlala kanjani. So when ungasho ukuthi like this whole tournament impact jwang community.
Impact our community via there are some other people who are hustling. So they are here and hustling batswela pele at least and le dipelara tse dingwe ka mo re kgona di bona le batho ba kgona di bona ba di select di ba phambeng wa ngushisha so ketare batho most dipelara di kgona tswelela di fite ba riche kwa banya go bang gona via baba bona that the tournament tsana
so when a kimang favorite player how and why like umrutela that one person gore wa bona ola yeah ke star sak kimang
ke Blackberry
tell us more about Blackberry
ke mo saluta da mane na wa ndlalela ke tlhaletse di bolo moki even if ke na le stress ke na le mathata e ke no bona yena fela like vele ke khono ba happy like the way I'm going to I never mind not the man one
okay Blackberry ki Blackberry fella ano mongwe sure li ona
all of is my friend
okay
Ike Pablo yeah lena wandalela
okay thank you so much for your time sir ne
sure
yeah
la mandwendwe fulela mandwendwe
okay, we have the man of the match of the previous game. We're just going to have a chat with him and get to know how he feels about this match. Say, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. So, ngicela ungitshele about the whole, please introduce yourself to the people abangakwazi ukuthi ubani, wakabani, which team do you play for?
Yeah, mina Hlayisan Joshua Ntimane, ngitlangela Mlototsi tournament team la Gauteng.
Okay, so since uyibonile team yakho idlala and the other teams adlala, so how would you rate skill ne performance ye team yakho? How would you say nidlale kanjani mawubhekile wona ne team yakho?
Yeah, I think majitha matirhe ngopfu ka siku ra namuntlha nika credit ka bafowethu tirhe ngopfu ku tiyimisela mhaka anga olovi a ku ri derby team of choice I team leyi huma kwala ka Mlototsi and then coaches and management aba tshamba ba encourage abakwayi nga lose that game hinkwato mara ile ya team of choice. That is why campaign and then rest early yeah prepare very well ka game lewa. That is why we had a good result ka siku ra namuntlha.
Okay, so what would you say are the challenges that you faced mendlala I game? Which like challenges did you face on the pitch mendlala, on and off the pitch?
Yeah, football kuba ku if I'm not discipline as olovi ku amateur football camp as team ya hina in clubhouse lengele Bosberg ya Mlototsi and then it's amateur football leyi na clubhouse la Gauteng, which means I camp each and every game. We camp, we don't go to the tavern and then we don't drink before the game, and then that is why we are always giving performance loko itlangat game mabona.
Okay, so when journey yakho as a football player iqale kuphi? Like where did you start playing football and why did you choose playing football?
Yeah, mina ekhaya ngikantlanga bolo swinene. I remember ni got the national playoffs ta ABC Mtsepe more than 4 times. Got Dolphins, the Dolphins FC at Limpopo and then Winners Park ABC Mtsepe. Yeah, I think mina so loko ndzi ntala ka Mlototsi ni suka kaya and then the chairman in Fonerina come and help us at Joburg and then to play tournament. You will never know. I know age is no longer at sight, but you are 32 and then goalkeeper in an high colors. You don't age is just a number ka goalkeeper and then come and help us. Only God knows. That is why someone can performance I mean make sure I'm on a higher level each and every game. mabona.
Okay, so we are born now. There are young boys here. Bakbegile. Some of them they're looking up to you. They know ukuthi as in this guy inspires me. If ngingadlala njengalo mfana lo, I'd be somewhere. So what would be that one advice or a few words that you can give them, ukuthi, boy or girl, if you do this and that, then you'll get to where I am.
Yeah, anta ukabafana labantongo two youngsters. Football if I'm selling not discipline. If you are not discipline, akunalanga ta kon. And then football if anyone akunamela. As vana verini ka mina va ku la ku fana na misalwa. Yes, swi nga humelela ku ri va fana na mina and then va continue na football and then va tiyimisela minkarhi hinkwayo. Mina football I trained. Yeah. We don't have a training session on our team tournament game, but mina now my own training session. I pay gym every month. I pay gym so in order to make myself to be fit. And then ntakota ku tlanga game mantuses. So everything if I need to we have to work very hard. Everything they and like more special inside the ground. Yeah.
Congratulations on your man of the match, and once again, thank you so much for your time. We wish you nothing but the best in your career. Yeah, stay blessed.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And to the supporters of Mlototsi, cancer support leminga inikata yona. One ba from all the way from Pitori, all the way from Soweto, Batawata support, I cancel support. Lawangarna support, I got a performance in a performance song. Cancer support, Navan by Nangtak Bengeleka, Lipompo everywhere, then Dawin Quat, and then Mlototsi kon. And then we shall go make nga win that tournament in Magur to win a derby. Tell us where. Yeah, we can go far. Yeah, but one game at a time, mabon. Yeah, namen kesengo kasugura namunta go one man of the match. It shows sugur kuna maranika credit kat plus tamen magur. Ebo nabanda nebo ban support ban encourage agur. Anything can happen. When I must keep on working. So I think yeah. I can't say where I deserve it, but if you say I deserve it, yes, yeah.
Yes, you deserve it. Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
We have a coach of one of the teams participating in this tournament. We're just going to dig deep into how him and his team are performing and how are they seeing this whole tournament. Say, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm good, thank you. Can you please introduce yourself to the people abangagwazi and ukuthi udlalela yiphi? Oh, which team do you coach? Sorry.
Okay, thanks once again. Vistos Chabalala, Mlototsi coach. Yes,
Okay, so coach, ever since Itimiako participator in this event, how are you finding the whole environment and the whole tournament so far?
So far, it's our first game. We are playing. We're going to motivate and talk to the players that we have to win this one. As the team now, it's under pressure. We are not winning anything. So from this year, but I'm happy at least we qualify to play Champ of Champs. We're coming to play of Champ of Champs now, but we have to win a major tournament because there is our late supporter Poshia. So we must win a major tournament for her.
So how do you keep your team to be in the spirit, even if they lose or by a winner? What's that one thing or like a certain thing that you do for them to stay motivated and to up their game in each and every game they play?
No, what I told them, I told them each and every game when we lost, guys, we lost, so it's up. And then we're going to affiliate each and every tournament to make sure that we must make sure that we grab one of them. We mustn't give up because each and every team, when we go to the tournament, they are ready to win each and every team. And then the Mloto team, it's a big team. So each and every team that come to play with them, with us, they make sure that they beat us. Yeah, so I told them, so they mustn't give up. But one of the good tournament, big one, major one, we're going to win it. This is what I'm always telling them. Okay,
so looking at the tournament on its whole, like in a whole, what would you think and how do you think it affects the community? All in all, more peggy, like how does it impact in the community?
Mlototsi.
Okay, Mlototsi and the whole tournament.
Okay, no, Mlototsi it's a big brand, it's a big team, and I've got a lot of too much supporters in here Tembisa because we are belonging on Tembisa. So if we don't win here, we are under pressure. But if Mlototsi get out from each and every tournament, they're losing supporters. So we make sure that we must make sure that we go to the final. So each and every supporters, they must come and watch those games to make sure that the tournament is successful.
Okay. So what would you say to youngsters who want to play football now? They want to pursue a career in playing football. What would you say to them? What like other words of advice you'd give to them?
Okay, to the youngsters, guys, they must make sure that they get away from the drugs, they get away from the street, not doing nothing. They must keep themselves busy, and another thing, to go forward, to make sure that they want to go to play a good teams, to go to PSL. They must discipline is the biggest thing. They must discipline themselves. Even our parents and us coaches, we must make sure that we motivate. We tell them what they must do to get themselves to play in a big teams.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time and congratulations on your win. And we wish you nothing but the best in your team. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Iyo malchigani zokhala Koba malanga ya wafani mani Chigana lifili Iyo maseli chigivili nizoka.
We have one of the people who are positively influencing this whole tournament. One of the commentators of this whole tournament since Igalile, my brother. How are you?
Sister, I'm very well, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Oh, Mpendulanga English. I thought Mpendulanga Sizulu. Please let everybody know who's Uba.
Well, this is Ubongani, known as 3310, the commentator, all the way from the Eastern Efosloras, obviously. And yeah, it's me. People have been hearing my voice on TV, not knowing who 3310 is anyway. But this is me. All thanks to Makaplan, Lebogang Pipo Mabocha. They made this possible for me to be here today. And yeah, it's one of the greatest tournament, eh?
So tell us about your experience in this whole tournament. How have you been finding this whole tournament overall since Ugalilela? How are you finding it? How do you feel about it? And what is it that one thing you think it's positively influencing this whole community with regards to your work and the whole tournament?
Well, one thing that is very positive about this tournament is that we also need to remember that it's giving back to the community, you know, and it also gathers people, you know, more especially these young people, to see that there's actually life in football, you know. And one of the most beautiful things is that it brings the community together. It doesn't actually say you from Zimbabwe, Malawi, you know, the whole community of Tembisa is here to come and witness this beautiful football.
So looking at the whole, like the bunch of people that are here, would you say this tournament is influencing the community positively?
Yeah, it is. It is influencing them positively. That's why you see a lot of supporters are here, because they're being influenced in a very good manner. You know, we speak of them leaving the bad things outside instead of maybe going to drink, but they're here to say, you know what, we're gonna support Pipo Mabocha, one of our own greatest soccer player, that is Pipo Lebogang.
So I want to ask you one thing. What is it that one or a few challenges that you have faced, or like this whole the whole management of the tournament have faced in hosting this whole tournament?
Yeah, my sister, that's a quite difficult one. Difficulties, all I can say is that each and every beautiful things, before it becomes more beautiful and start to bear flowers, there are hiccups up and there, here and there, but big up to the management, big up to the organizers as well. They've been doing everything very well. They've been so disciplined, and they've not taking sides on who needs to get favors from them or anything like that, but they've been just straight on point, following the rules that they actually engaged with the teams at the beginning of the tournament.
So if there's one thing that you change about this tournament, what is it? What would it be?
And
why? And why?
Well, I'll say What would I change in this tournament? I'll just say maybe a bit of influencement when it comes to social media. You know, because this is one of the biggest tournaments that is actually happening. You know, and we need more people to come and influence this kind of a tournament into social media platforms. Maybe make it big, even TV style. You know what I mean? So.
Any words of encouragement from someone who'd want to pursue what you are doing, being a commentator, like any words of encouragement you'd give to someone who wants to walk your steps?
Yeah, nah, it's simple, man. You just need to work on your craft, know where you're heading, put in the hard work, make sure that you stay disciplined, and make sure that you stay humble. You know, being humble, it connects you with different people. And remember, I always tell people that everyone has got the destiny helpers, and those destiny helpers are people that you're humble at. You know, because they're the one that they actually know where you can get connected. You know, so connect the dots, stay humble, put in the hard work. That's it.
You heard it for yourself. Connect the dots and stay humble. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. We wish you nothing but the best in your career. Keep up the good work. We are motivated, and thank you so much once again. Retweeting one of the stars who were making hit Bakuka. I don't know what you guys say, but in the clocket we have one of the guys there. We're gonna have a little chat with him. My brother, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Tell us who to Ubani, Wagwabani, and which team do you play for?
My name is Tim Gosi Mshongo. I play for City All Stars, all the way from Joburg, CBD.
Okay, Utem Gosi uqale nini ukudlala ibhola? And why did he choose ukuthi yena ufuna ukudlala ibhola?
The reason why I chose to play football is because I was inspired by my father, because he used to play soccer as well. So from growing up, I just took it from there.
So journey yako as a football player, how would you describe it, like in 2 words?
Painful and what can I say? And rough. Okay. Yeah.
Why would you say that?
Because you know, with football, you have to grind and work hard. So to go in that route, sometimes you give up in life just like that, and then you find better options, like to go and find work.
So playing in this tournament, we find that injured. Like, how would you describe this whole tournament when, as one of the people who gets to step on this ground?
I think it's an honor for me because it's a very, very big tournament. You can see even the crowd, plenty people. Even in some PSL games, they don't pull this crowd. So it's amazing to play. The people from Tembisa, I think they are very good hosts. So I am very happy.
Okay, speaking of PSL, which is that one team you wish and you hope to play for?
I wish to play for Pirates, but now I try with football. I don't have that love anymore. You can see our team, the small boys. So I'm one of the senior players. So I'm shy with this football thing. So yeah.
So okay, you'd never know. Maybe there's one person who's scouting, and maybe your dream comes through there.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, yeah. So who is that one football player that you look up to besides your dad, and why do you look up to that one player?
I think it's Debza from Sundowns. He's a very gifted player, hard worker, always pushing and grinding in the field. So yeah, non-stop. Yeah.
So we are one of the young stars, and even if like you guys were playing now and the penalties, they ran Bezagin. Like, how does that make you feel when, as an individual who plays football and seeing Abantwana Bangane looking up to you?
It's an amazing feeling because you can see the little boys are looking up to me. So for me, it's something that is inspirational. So yeah, I'm very happy too.
And what would be your advice to them?
My advice to the young kids is they must play any sports, and because in the streets, the streets are not good. I understand. So for them to shy away from the streets, they have to play sport or something. You can see they spend the whole day here in the fields. Then later they go home, which is safe.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations on your win and thank you so much. We wish you nothing but the best in this whole tournament. Thank you for your time. So, Putunjari.
Ngiyaphila sister.
Ngiyaphila, please introduce yourself to the people. Ukuthi ubani, wakwabani, and which team do you play for?
Oh, mina igama lami uPaul Mnuka, mara bangazi ngoMendes. Ngidlalela i-team Ambas.
So, Paul, please tell us about i-game yakho today. How did you find the game?
Mina ngokwami igame yami beku 90% maybe mangasho because ngenze yonke into abocoach bathi ngiyenze. Just ihlule ukuthi score nje kuphela epalini.
So, uPaul yena i-journey yakhe as a football player iqalephi?
Aqale ngimncane kakhulu yo. Ngiqale ngokuvimba kuqala. Mangicala ngiqale epalini so ngaphuka isandla then endlini bathi hayi ngcono ngasadlala ibhola mara ngachubeka ngifoster ngagcine ngaba yi-infielder manje.
So Paul, this is your third game nidlala lana. So how would you compare today's game with the other two games that you have played?
Namhlanje ngizimisela ukuthi ngizoyiwina namhlanje. Just disappointed ukuthi asikwazanga ukukora. Njalo kodwa besidominate igame yonke. Into beyingicaka ileyo.
So how would you rate umsebenzi wama team players wakho namhlanje? Like how would you say you guys have dominated today on today's game?
Bona badlalile ne sister. Badlalile 100% namhlanje. Just mina into engicasulayo nje ukuthi ascoring ngesikhathi. Scoring ngesikhathi. Siyawathola wonke ama chance but scoring ngesikhathi.
So Paul, as we know that izinto zange zihambe kahle today as you guys had planned, how are you taking the lose and what is it that one thing you are going to change or implement to make sure that you win ama games that are upcoming?
Mina sister ngokuya ngami mina i-lose ayingilimazi because ngifundela kuyo. Ngifundela kuma mistake wami kuma lose because angeke ngikhale ngiluzile kwamele ngijabule noma ngiluzile noma ngiwinile. Ngizokwazi ukuqhubeka impilo siye phambili.
Okay, so nawe ubonile when you guys were playing mekunabafana abancane who came to you, right? Benhaga and motivating you guys. How does it make you feel when as a football player ubone abafana abancane coming to you saying ukuthi wena you inspire them or bayakuthanda? How does that make you feel and how does it encourage you?
Into encourageayo le ndiyangijabulisa kakhulu mangibona abafana abancane because nami ngifana nabo ngisagijimela bosikhwama ngisawisha ukudlala khona la kuMambasi namhlanje ngidlala khona kuMambasi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu kuphela nabo bazofika la.
So what is it that one team, PSL team that you'd love to play for and why? And who is that one football player you look up to?
Mina ngifuna ukudlalela iSundowns bayazi nama teammate wami ngihlezi ngicamba manga ngithi izinto ziphuma ngizithola kuSundowns but ngifuna ukudlalela iSundowns and playing manje sengibukela kulo vele umbekezeli Mbokazi. Ngidlalela kahle umbekezeli Mbokazi wenza imisebenzi nje kuphela.
So any words of encouragement to the youngsters who are looking up to you and who are looking to pursue a career into playing football, what is it those words you'd give them to make sure that they go the right path and they reach where you are right now?
Mina into engabaqhuquzela ngayo ukuthi baphushe basebenze bajime lento inabantu bayo mara mawulokhu busy ujima une passion yayo nayo izogcina ikuthanda ekugcineni.
We wish you nothing but the best in your future as an individual and your team when it comes to such tournaments. Thank you so much for your time and God bless you. We have the captain of the team that just heated us with Kasi flavored football. We have the captain here, Putunjani. Nami ngiyaphila ngixoza sisukuthi ubani wakwabani, which team do you play for?
Mina nguZakhele Mthethwa kahle kahle ngidlalela iKatoras Juventus but team Ambas team.
So Zakhele, tell us about i-career yakho as umuntu odlala ibhola iqalephi kanjani and why did you choose to play football?
Athi ngiqale ngokuthi why ngikhetha ukudlala ibhola. I-talent ngizibonile ukuthi ngiyakhona ukudlala. Oh okay. Yeah, ukuthi ngiyakhona ukudlala ibhola yabo. ibhola ngiliqale serious ngiliqale 2019 bengenza grade 8 ngadlalela 2 minutes Katsuras Juventus ngikhulele khona kahle kahle yeah ngidlale lapho since then kwaze kwaya till manje kahle kahle.
Okay Zakhele, ama games wenu enwadlalile lana, like how would you rate them compared to today's game? I'm sure this one is the third game.
Yeah.
The other two games, how would you rate them? How would you say like it's that one different thing compared to today's game? What is it, that one thing different, and how would you rate them?
Siyadlala ne. Marinking iwan man. Lapha phambili asifuna ukushaya yabo. Almost onke lama game kahle kahle siliswa into eyi-1 ukuthi masifika okay ukudlala sadlala sipasane mara ama decision making lapha phambili makumele sishaye mina ngifuna ukuphasa yabo intonyana ezikanjalo so into esibhayizisa ngiyacabanga nale game yana namhlanje siliswe iloko kahle kahle bengamelanga sifike nakuma penalty ilokuthi maye suke manje afuna ukwenza into eyi-1 kakhulu enye into ebeshayo ukuthi besingana striker yabo and bekhana isicala ukudlala naso namhlanje so ngiyacabanga nje ngokuya kwesikhathi masingajwayelana kahle nje yeah singayibamba.
Okay, so when i-impact yakho as a captain eteamini yakho namhlanje bekuyini? What is it, that one thing or shilo ukuthi azingibafana mesingayenza so at least we will be able to get that one goal or sizobe sikhona ukwenza into so and by implementer nabo on the field?
Obvious ukuthi sibe confident sikhohlwa abantu obviously kune pressure ngaphandle mara ya ukuthi sibe confident sidlala ibhola lethu yabo umuntu adlala ibhola laziyo ya abafana bayenzile lento le unfortunately azange sithola igoli yabo ya kunjani
sharp izinto azambanga grand namhlanje ne inkinga ibe kuphi yabo mungasho ukuthi yabona la ngabe ngenze so kwaba so inkinga ibe kuphi and how are you taking today's lose?
Igame siyeke first half yeah first half siyekile ngifuna ukucamba manga besiza kakhulu first half ngikhala ngokuthi azange sishaya njengoba bengisho yabona ukuthi into ebesibhayizisa ukuthi besingashaya epalini ukudlala besidlala strong inkinga ukuthi sishaye nje epalini yabo final decision yabo yiye besilekha ngayo kahle kahle into engayisho ukuthi into esibhayizisile kahle kahle so yabona maba singayilungisa nje during the week ejimini sifundisa ukushaya nje kahle emajimini yabo yeah ngiyacabanga ukuthi singabuya kakhulu. Yeah,
it's not the end of the world, it's fine. Nizondlula man ibhola uyalazi ukuthi linjani mosabo nathi dala bashaya but it's fine yabo we move yabo and then siyabashaya nathi njalo vele ibhola yabo so ubonile nawe menidlala lana abafana abancane bayangijimela yabo ikwenza like ufile kanjani leyo and wena as a football player ikuqhuquzela kanjani? What is it, that one thing ekubonisayo ukuthi yazini man labafana laba njengoba bangijimisa so shoot yabo like what is it, fila kanjani nje wena general monga explainer uze express to that thing?
Inginika ukuthi shukuthi ibhola ngiyalazi bayayithanda lento engiyenzayo lento engidlalayo and ingenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngiphushe kakhulu yabo ngenze kakhulu yabo ngenze more kunaloko engikwenzayo ngiphakamise futhi kancane yabona yeah kona iyangijabulisa kakhulu because nginika lento ukuthi isho ukuthi nami ngiyalazi ibhola at least ikhona ongibonayo ukuthi ngidlala sona so and uyayithanda indlela engidlala ngayo yabo yeah kunika lokho kuyangijabulisa vele.
So i-advice yakho kubo labafana laba abancane yini, like yini into ongabatshela ukuthi azi bafana abameni ngayenza ukuthi nokuthi nani nizofika la ngikhona?
Consistency igym vele simele sibe consistent yeah like mabangajima nje strong nento abayenzayo bayithanda yabona ngoba into angeke uyenze ungayithandi yeah mabangayithanda nje ukudlala ibhola banga give up kuba khona leso sikhathi sokuthi ngathi ngayeke ebholweni yabona njengoba Mr ama-penalty intonyana ezikanjalo ube ne-bad game nje yeah mara kumele baphushe nje bangayeki banga give up bazofika nabo laba khona la ngikhona nami bazofika. Sure.
Okay captain, akunandaba, you lose, you learn from a mistake, you fix them and then you do better next time. Okay, sure. So thank you so much for your time and we wish you nothing but the best with team yakho and you as an individual when it comes to your career yakho, your football playing. Yeah. Sharp
cela ukusho something.
Okay,
ngithanda ukuthi kahle kahle special abantu abasilandelayo as a team members ngiyazi for bona babona ngathi kunzima kuyabheda into engikhala ngayo nje kakhulu ukuthi mabangaba patient nathi yabo yangali sintwana mara lento ikhona into sabathembisa ukuthi kukhulu okuzayo yabona mabangaba patient nje nathi lento siyiphethe nje ilo phela ukuthi babe patient nathi yeah yiko kuphela ngifuna ukukusho kahle kahle.
Thank you so much, Shap. Shap.
Oh, uyapapa. Uyaspeeda.
Sibethe istar seCastle Flavour bathi nje egroundini akaphumi angayenzanga what he has to do. Kuthi unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela uzi-introduce ukuthi ubani wakwabani, dlalela yiphi team?
Sanibonana, igama usanele wakamadoda. Kahle ngidlala iKatsura Juventus neMamba. Yeah.
So usanele yena ucela nini ukudlala ibhola and yini into emenza ukuthi adlale ibhola?
Yo, cala ibhola think benginabo ma 6-7 inspire ubhuti wami usihle wakamadoda. Abamaziyo bamazi ngoBaptista. So from vele ekhaya vele sikhula abantu abaningi ekhaya badlala ibhola from first born yasekhaya Andile naye sazange akwazi ukuphumelela agcine ayeka kwaza wasekhaya second born okuBaptista then yimi manje into yasendlini vele so yiba banginspireile ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngidlala ibhola nami ngikwazi vele nawo bayangigama advice nayo yonke into ngibonga bona kakhulu.
Chap, manje bathi uyinja yeCastle Flavour ungenile wabashaya ngeCastle Flavour but izinto azihambanga the way mekumele zihambe ngakhona. How do you feel about that?
Anhliziyo ibhlungu because manje siyazama ukunika yonke into esinayo but at the end of the day sibuya ne lose and ama fans awajabuli.
Obviously, as a football player, you have dreams and hopes. One day you want to play for that one big team. What is it, that team, and why do you choose to play for that team?
Big 3 teams in South Africa, which is Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns. Why? It's because in exposure, because almost like football like South Africa, sibukela lawo ma team lawo, yabo. So in exposure yona, and nami ngiyafuna ukudlala ku PSL but angifuni ukugcina ku PSL kuphela ngifuna ukuya nangaphandle which is iyo lawo ma team lawa naleyo nto leyo mostly kahle.
Okay, so let's say manje nangu vele Sharp, everything goes well, uyangena mhlambe let's say Kaizer Chiefs. How would you like to be remembered as someone who plays football?
Ngistyle sami because istyle vele ngeke ngisichange istyle enginaso like from njengoba ngisho ukuthi lento le ikusuka from ku first born yasekhaya second born then yimi last born ngizochubeka ngayo ngifuna abangithandela istyle sami abantu angifuni ukuchinja ngifuna mabangithanda mabathi bathanda usanele lo dlala lebhola lelalazi bangafuni ukungichinjisa ibhola ngisho kanjalo.
Okay, so what would you like to say to your fans as Usanele as an individual and ama fans were 80 members?
Ngokuqala ngama fans were 80 members. Kuma fans were 80 members siyaxolisa ngalama performance esibiziswa sinika wona. Yes, siyadlala egroundini sinika 100 but ama results yiwo adetermine ifuture. And lama results esinika wona siyaza wanjabulisi but sicela ningasipheleli umoya. Sizoyenza lento le izohlangana size siyithola. Then to ama fans wami ngiyabonga for ukungisupporta. Cela ninga stop manje because kukhulu engisazokwenza, kukhulu engiza nawo. So ucela niqhubeke ningibheke khona lapho nje. Kuningi engisazoza nawo okuhle.
As I had said to Captain wenu ukuthi we wish you nothing but the best. Take this lose as a lesson and you learn from them and then you improve to from some of the things that went wrong at groundini. Thank you so much for your time and we wish you nothing but the best for your future yakho as an individual and as a team. Thank you so much for your time. We have one of the fans of the tournament, Madala Ujwang.
Kadi tournament itamo.
Ujwang, Madala Ujwang. How are you?
Get right.
Please tell the people ukuthi ubani igama lakho wakwabani and how are you related to this tournament?
Na ke David Phahlane wa Lekhosi for life o ke rata di tournament tsamo especially mo Ivory Park. Kare di tsentsha something kona le batho ba ile ba tla ba rekisa mo Ivory Park. And every day he ba tloa mo ba tla ba swere something se lore se ba ka khona ho ja kontlong gore ke a di rata di tournament tsa mo ke a di supporta Banzeba ke le Cozy for life.
Yes.
Ke Cozy for life.
Okay.
Lelo holo.
Okay, so Madala, looking at the environment and how this tournament is impacting the community, would you say it's impacting it in a positive or a negative way, and why do you choose to say what you say?
Okay, the tournament jamu ke di ratela re batho ba bangata abayo mo le re ba ka ira lu just snacks ka re batho ba bangata ba tla mo ba tlo dula mo go tloa mo tournament e fela a one motho mo a ka naganang go ira dilo tse mpe tse di ka iragala a tloa mo o ya ntlong a tloa mo tournament e fela o mo no mo o ya ntlong o dula ntlong e tla ke bosigo a tournament e ha no yone ke last game do you have time after half time ke bosigo a ne motho a ka tsamanga ya mo e le re o nagana re a ka ya o ka tomo ya Pitori o ka tomo ya Kempton Park o ka tomo ya Josa a tla mo ya ntlong ke bosigo and then o fedile.
So Madala, the team angisazi Spedi, so ngizokhuluma English ne sharp.
Alright.
So looking at the teams that were participating in this tournament, which one stood out for you and why?
Kerata ma 2000 ho ka aga iwina tournament. Kerata ma 2000 ke team ya ka imo ke amo Ivory Park. Kerata ma 2000 and ma 2000 a ne motho a sa ke sure ya ha ka kora le hanu yanong o tlo bona montle mo re go iragala eng o tlo bona ka mo grounding gore go iragala ka ma 2000 e ka kora because of batho ba ngata hanu yanong re ba bitse ma 2000 ke bana kere e sala bana gore they are enjoying about ma 2000 man le mangore ma 2000 yeah.
Really for your contribution to the community. We thank you for continuing supporting Abafana Abancane. What is it that one thing you'd say to Abafana Abancane who are looking to play football now?
Bafana Abancane ke a rapela etlampolong le tlo bona abare life bara bolo and a one ntongwa e lore e ka o patela go feta bolo o ka ya wa irang bolo e ka sushi tronkong bolo e ka sushi tronkong e ka sushi di trackseng e ka sushi because of le rena re di camera tsa lena ba shumane a se tronko a se live etlampolo.
All right, really boga for your time Madala. Modimo au
ankekele
yes akukekeleje sharp
Ekse bafethu ngiphethe Skamza from Speak and Frostani intwana yami ngiphethe bani la
phethe Divine.
Okay, Divine intwana yami khambani udlalela yipi team wena?
Udlalela Diski 99.
Diski 99. Uyaliqava ibhola lo. Too much. Serious?
Yeah.
Okay, udlala yipi position?
Udlala taking 6.
Taking 6. Ushukelo uyawufaka ama passage uyawabreaker, ama goal uyawakora.
Yeah, obvious. Iyo lento lekumele uyenze.
Bheka icamera ungasala. Zokala sondela eduze ngisho ufuna ukushaya interview. Sondela ntwana yami. Okay, manje uthi ubani lona umuntu omthembile eteamini yakho ngebhola?
Teamini yami.
Yeah.
uBerry noNathi bayi2.
uBerry noNathi. Okay. Iteam yakho idlala kuphi ma yini igama layo into ezinjalo no coach wakho?
Iteam yami Diski 99 FC. Coach wami coach Bruno. Sijima la ema7 iligi sidlalela lapha emqhele.
Yeah, uqale nini ukudlala ibhola ntwana yami? Ubani iplayer olithandayo neteam oyithandayo maybe umuntu ku-inspire ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ibhola njengayo Mthombo?
Umuntu engimthandayo webhola uPogba.
uPogba.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukudlala njengoPogba vele. Wala uthanda izinto. And then iteam oyithandayo?
Team engithandayo iMonaco.
iMonaco. Ngoba uPogba udlala khona manje. Wala bese la eMzansi ufavor.
Emzansi angifavor Sundowns.
Sundowns. Uthanda bani lapha ku Sundowns?
Bathu bani? Umkweni.
Ufuna ukudlala njengomkweni. Umshishi?
Umshishi akasena next.
Wena sana. Akasena next umshishi. Just ukuthi ukhabathwa ama-injury ntwana yami ngithola umshishi kusase i-star player mara nomkwena izinja zegame uyangithola showcase advisor lezi zakho lezi ezikufrustadayo ngebhola ukuthini i-advise ongasigazi wona le ntwana zakho lezi.
Mina abantu engibabona ukuthi bahlezi bangipha amandla bathi dlala ibhola one day uzophumelela. Ilaba sekhaya nalabantu laba engidlala nabo ibhola nabo coach nalabantu engibaziyo nalabantu abahlala estradini sami nalaba lo munye lo bengidlala naye ibhola mara yena ucina yekela bese kabhema mahab mina beyangithi
amncane kaso mara yakena wenze ntana mongabhema amahablo ngabhema amazoli yonke into ebheda uyangithola ufocus ebholweni nangama weekend mayengekho into eyenzayo uyangithola uzokala egroundini uzobukela ibhola uyangithola so that uzothola ne-experience yebhola futhi uyangithola showcase uzikhuze nalezi zakho zekele lezi zinto ezibheda bachitanekela into ezibheda ubani obhema ihabli futhi la
no
okay at least uyazibona ukuthi zenza into ezibheda uyangithola uzikhuze uzithathe uze nazo egroundini izodlala ibhola uyangithola ntana showcase
nalo defend
nale defend yona ibhemi hub
mihlezi nami
uzidonse zonke lezi zakho nize egroundini izodlala ibhola ukuthi ningayenzi into ezibhedayo because yabo emakasi vele sisarawule izinto ezibhedayo uyangithola ibhola nesikile yizi izinto ezizokusiza uyangithola ntwana yami showcase ngena la thank you for the interview
Okay, Nani Bonile, I was interviewing members of 80 Mamba, and these are the guys. This is one of the guy abadle team like 80 Mamba. Putunjan.
Ngiyaphelona njani?
Yami ngiyaphila. Ngicela uzintroduce ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you play for?
Igama lami uTitus okamlawuthi ngidlalela iCity All Stars.
So Titus, tell us about your journey yakho as a football player. Titus, uqale nini ukudlala ibhola and why did you choose to play football?
I think it's been like 10 to 15 years. Ngaqala ngimncane vele ukudlala ibhola. I took it from my father who started playing football. Then I started my football journey at Bidvest West. Okay. After that I went to Highlands Park. From Highlands Park I went to Swallows. From Swallows I went back to Highlands Park. From Highlands Park I went to there's this other team in Durban. Then up until now. Yeah.
So how would you say your journey has impacted you as an individual who wants to pursue a career of a football player, professional football player?
I think it impacted me very positively because it builds character in you. Makes you whole, makes you a man. So you have to have courage in everything that you do. It also teaches you other things that you'll use in life other than in football.
How do you balance football and your personal life? And how would you say it's important as a person, as an individual who plays football, to have discipline and all that other aspects that are needed as a football player?
Now, what I can say is that as much as we love football, I think school is also important in it. As much as we love football, football is a very, what can I say? I don't know how to put it, but I feel like you should have school as a backup plan because epolini sigcwele kahle kahle yabo and sonke angeke siphumelele. So at least if you have school as a backup in case if you don't make it. Not that I'm saying I'm not going to make it, but just in case, always have a backup plan.
So how would you like to be remembered as a person who plays football when you retire?
I just want to be remembered as a person who had courage, who did everything at his best, who enjoyed playing football, who enjoyed entertaining the fans and doing his best for his team. That's how I want to be remembered. So
with all your games that you have played, how would you rate them and what is it that different thing with the other games that you've played compared to today's game?
Okay, today's game was a bit challenging and difficult because we knew that they were going to come and want to entertain the crowd. And we're not used to that style of play. Us, we just want to get the goal and get the 3 points and go back home. So we knew that they're going to play for the fans, they're going to intimidate us, they're going to be all over us. So we just had to keep our composure and keep our discipline.
A little few words of encouragement to the youth who are looking up to you, who would want to pursue career in football.
All I can say is that work hard and be determined and do your best in everything that you do and show up for training. Whether you like it or you don't feel like it, just show up for training. Someone out there is always watching. You might never know when is your lucky day.
Okay. a few words to your fans as an individual and for your team. Yeah.
Okay, what I can say is that next week we're here, same place. Same, I don't know by the time, but we're gonna be here and we're gonna bring entertainment. So I think people should come in their numbers and come support City All Stars. 80 members, I say, so
Okay, thank you so much for your time, and we wish you nothing but the best in your career as an individual and as your team. Sharp, sharp. We are not done. We have more and more people who are part of the tournament. We have a lady who has a store here, and she's going to explain more about how this whole tournament has impacted her as an entrepreneur. Lady unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela uzazise kwabantu abangakwazi ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what is your role la kule tournament?
Oh, igama lami uThobile wakasikhosana. Amekhukha ke mina. Size la ngebusiness.
Okay, so this whole tournament impacted kanjani and how has it contributed ku business yakho?
I-tournament lena isinceda ngoba thina as ama small businesses singeza lana sizokhona ukuyenza imadlana as of which elokishini ukuthi akuna business, but coming here it helps us ukuthi sizokwazi ukulo. Sorry, can you cut a bit?
No, it's fine.
Oh, yeah, isinceda ngokuthi sikhone contribute, yeah, ukukhulisa ama business wethu and nokwaziwa ke cause as a community, when you come here, like they come and also support your business, our businesses.
So besides like it has impacted you positively, how do you think it has impacted the whole community positively or like negatively?
Okay. Oh, as a community, it helps a lot to good community because abantu abaningi ayikho into abayenzayo la elokishini, so they come here bazozibuyelela ibhola so that they can get out of into eyibulala nayo ezimbi nje la elokishini, so they come here, enjoy the soccer, badle baphuze kube mnandi nje.
Okay, what are some of the challenges you have faced when as an individual who owns a business?
Yes, ama challenges wona akhona because sometimes business iyaba slow khona lana, but ngoba thina sihlala siyabantu aba positive because of small businesses, like vele we have to face challenges. Kubhede sometimes kusebenzeki.
Okay. So what is it that one thing you'd say to someone who has a small business who wants to like grow andlondlobale naye as umuntu who owns a business? What is it that one advice you'd give to them?
I-advise engayipha umuntu ofuna ukuqala ibhizinisi and on a small business ukuthi kwi-business efana njengalesi yenzayo, you have to be patient. Qala ube patient and ube money saving. Ithi mawuso uthenga nje like istoko sakho yonke into yakho, no ukuthi like when I charge such prices ngizobe ngiyenza i-profit because there are some of us ukuthi siyastoka sichaza ukuthengisa at the end of the day singayenza i-profit, uthola abantu abaningi ke sebayayeka. But then more patient, you can do small things uthengise ngemali enhle, so yeah, then it grows.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. We wish you nothing but the best. Good business yakho umdala kubusisa and help you to grow and yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And Putu njani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani my sister?
Nami ngiyaphila. Please tell us more about yourself. Ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
Okay, mina igama lami uRamati wakaMalopi ngesibongo. Mina lana kahle kahle ngize kulama tournament ngendaba ukuthi ngihambisa ibusiness, ngiyathengisa. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu basuka endlini ekseni bayalamba bafuna ukudla, ngithi nangu ukudla wami lana, ngithengisa inyama, ngithengisa ipapa, yonke inyama ekhona. Ibusiness yethu ithini? Meat galore. Slogan sethu leso.
Okay, so since you've been here and selling kule tournament lena, like how has your business been? Okay, looking at a crowd le ekhona la, how would you say business yakho got like exposure kanjalo? Would you say like the whole this whole tournament gave you an exposure of your craft and your work?
Okay, ibusiness kwamanje ngizothi lihamba kahle because you know ukuthi ma uyi business owner mele ukuthi ube kanjani, ube nice kwabantu,
then bese nabo bazokujabulela mawubajabulisa nabo bazokujabulela mawuba welcome kahle kulapho kuzohamba kahle vele yonke into amajita vele uyabona nabo bahleli kamnandi i-tent ikhona izitilo zikhona bayazirelaxela baphuza kahle barelaxile and futhi enye into i-safety come first kune-security egadile. Yeah.
Okay, so how would you say this tournament has impacted the community and your business?
Okay, tournament kahle into elethile kithi and to the community also as large of Ivory, you know, with ama tournament hamba kanjani. Into enzakala ukuthi i-tournament baya donate kuma communities lawa anga like disadvantages communities, yes. Then nathi kuna la sifaka isandla khona ukuthi at least siyabona ukuthi umjida ufuna ukwenzani uBibo, so nathi sithi okay sharp lento bayi donate especially esikolweni ezikolweni around nathi sifaka isandla sithi naku wethu sithi siya appreciate i-tournament isilethele ukudla nathi sithole sincane nazo nawe bamba kancane usize abanye.
A few tips and words to small business owners, like what would you encourage them to do and what are the tips of life to a successful business?
Okay, to the upcoming business owners or to the upcoming business runners, into ngabatshela ukuthi business sometimes uhamba kahle, sometimes i-profit awuyitholi, but ungapheli inhliziyo, ungawari, ungagijimisi imali dani ukuthi ube yes kanjalo yabo. So into bangayenza ukuthi nina niseza ama upcoming businesses noma uthengisile ungathengisanga kakhulu ungathi kusasa ubuyeli, keep on going because ngelinye ilanga or in the next coming 5 years uzoba right. Yeah, i-business izokhula vele, ayiqali nokuthi ungayenza ama million namhlanje. I-profit isilinde lana especially masilana sibheke mina let's say ngithi ngibheke 400 i-profit kanti ngelinye ilanga ngizoyenza 800, yabona ngipopile lapho, but emi ukuthini angenza imali ngenzela ukuthi ikhule. Yes.
Thank you so much for your influence in the community and in the minds of the small business owners who are looking up to you. We thank you for your time and we wish you nothing but the best in your business and in your life as an individual. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you ngiyabonga my sister, and ngizoba ngirong if ngizohluleka ukuthi ngibonge lamajita lana. Ngiphethe abantu basuke eKZN, ngiphethe amapedi asuke eLimpopo, ngiphethe amaTsonga, wonke umuntu ukhona lana ukumenshena like ngiyabonga isupport yabo nginje namhlanje ngendaba yabo yabo. Ngibonga kakhulu my sister. Nabo Paul bakhona, uPaul usuke eKZN, umZulu wakithi lo no Dikeri uMpitori, yabona people like that. Nalabo basuke leLimpopo bathini Mahamatlala Muleji bafethu re leboga bana bo momma business etla tsa maboti. Thank you for interview.
Thank you. Sanibonani ninjani? Siyaphila. Ngicela nizi-introduce to some of the people abanganazi.
Naki Messi, ngitswa Lexdorp, yeah, ngina introduce it.
Udlalela iphi team?
Currently akuna team santsane ke zama. Yeah, mo tournament ngidlala ama 2K.
Nalibitso la ka.
Bani wakwabani? Which team do you play for? Ngangibale Sondela, Sondela, ngibale.
Ngihlokodolo wakapopedi, ngihlala eDavidson, ngidlalela ama 2000.
Okay.
Wamaya ngina team, ngidlala ama tournament kuphela.
Okay. So each of you ngicela ningichazele ukuthi i-journey yenu yokudlala ibhola iqale phi kanjani and why nikhetha ukudlala ibhola?
Nayiqalile santsane ke lemunyane yawo lo dlala bolo. Showle ka uma 6-7 years mo vele ke tla re it runs in the family because of from side la time la ka re dlala bolo kaofela so bile easy for nna re ka adapt mo environmenteng ya disc ya ke groile le rato la yona from age nyana wona
mina ijeri yami iqale na I think 5 or 6 years ngisadlala nge-18 yabo ya sadlala team ne-4pal ya iqale lapha ijeni yami.
Okay, so sorry mina ngangichazela like ukuthi what makes kasi football different from professional football, what makes it different?
Showboating, entertainment, support it's one like professional
yeah, the difference between Kasi and league is because league is too structured. Then Kasi football you can do whatever you want ngebola. Yabo and into vela abantu bayithanda iKasi yabo iKasi flair. Ungayigibela ushaya amadolo yenzeni into abantu abayithandayo.
So each of you ngicela ningichazeleni ukuthi like how would you like to be remembered when you retire from football? How would you like to be remembered?
Angapa Jizya national team, maybe win AFCON or fihle ko World Cup stage, knockout stage World Cup yeah,
Mira, I would like people to remember me, nge presence yami, nange character yami ebantwini yabo, even nama fans wami. Umsebenzi wami uwo ozozikhulumela ebantwini. So ngifuna bangikhumbule ngade wengidlala ngakhona. Yeah.
So overall igame yenu yanamhlanje, like how did you find it and what would you say it makes it different from the other games enwadlalile?
Game ya today nearly easy. Ma ne struggle first half uthola combination kina ke fatigue because of re game tse paya. Yeah. So kina distractions that coach second half time ba re tshela re change the way re dlala ngati re limite di task tikitaka re dlala ka pace ya rona then re tla khona ba opena ka tsela e because of ke ba ulo rona santsane re na le stamina abo santsane re na le matjato nyana re jongo so ke yona ntse re thusitseng eo yona game ya ne se thata e rona re batla re ketsa thata ka bo rona yeah
I gave it up shy very different because of besingadlala ibhola esijwayele ukudlala ngakhona especially me akusikudala ngifikile kuma 2000 but then play yethu besinga ama combination i-team ichinche kakhulu because khona abanye ama player wekho yabo anama commitments amanye adlala league yabo so that is why sazama ukuthola the best combination so into vele be ispicisa but then sizamile ukumaintain igame sizethole ne goal.
Nani niyazibonela ukuthi abafana abancane banibhekile, obviously they're looking up to you guys, like what are the words that you can give them ukuthi nabo bafike la nani nikhona namhlanje?
Ngawashela the way betsa ngating basa stopa eventually ba tla thola chance ya bona wabo ba gate diski ba ikemisetse ba tlwele ntho tse ba za strata bo di drugs bo jwala wabo ba focus lesgela hape ba sa sheba diski fela lesgela ba kenesgela re plus diski ke short career so o be le mo lo ke batla khutlela teng ha be ntho tsa bona di va grande mo diski
yeah into ekathanda ukutshela i-youth nala bafana labancane ukuthi bazimisele baye ejimini bathanda ibhola ngenhliziyo yabo yonke bazophumelela.
Thank you so much and congratulations on your win. We wish you nothing but the best good career yenu as a team and as individuals. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Okay, coach, how are you? Please introduce yourself to the people abangakwazi and tell them ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you coach?
My name is Dalton Malepo, coach Shama 2000, and then we've been doing this for long. And then what I would say, it's a matter of promoting young boys, giving them the chance and stuff. So yes, that's what I would say. But the team, hence I'm saying we're giving young boys, it's more of young boys as much as I'm saying it's AMA 2000. We don't have older players in the team.
So please tell us more about the team yako. Iqalephi kanjani? Usukephi wayaphi kanje like how, like umlando we team. How did you get to build such a strong team?
Okay, we are a team that was playing a league, so not as MA 2000, as Rogue Nation. So when the moment we started playing the tournaments, the league didn't want us to use the league name that we're using at the league. So we had to just decide to say the team has to be MA 2000. So since 2017, when we started this team, then even today, those players that started the team are still part of the team. You understand? So, and then we're having most of the players that are playing their trade at the PSL. Even the boy, maybe I see you wearing a Pirates shirt. The boy that scored yesterday had a chance to play for our team, Mike Sullivan, yes. So even today he was here watching us playing. You understand? So it's a matter of we've touched more lives in terms of ski and then pushing the boys in level right. And then even now, most of our players are go ABC. You understand? It's just that at some point, like I feel go the level of NFD to PSL. But with time, you have to be patient. Their time will come, then you give them that chance, and it is. So, but even now, there are others. I can't mention the names because of there's nothing yet confirmed. They are still being assessed. Today they were not on the bench, they were not playing because of we have to respect where they are. That's how we work in this team.
So coach, looking at your career, your baller, or like all in all, what is it that one thing you would like, or if you had an opportunity to change, what is it that one thing you'd change?
If I've been given that opportunity to change lives or maybe something in football locally, is to knock at doors in the professional level for these young boys, because we really meet boys that are coming from underprivileged families. So if they could take football serious, they can change their situation at home. But at some point, you find out you want to do that, but the financial backing is not there. So it's a matter of you don't have powers to push them. But when that thing it comes, you push. So I don't like to see a talented boy being wasted, like being yet Smoshi's Katsak, like me, I need young hater. And then you find that certain players, sorry to say it, certain players are at the professional level, but they don't deserve to be there. But someone else is still here, but he's not getting that opportunity, you see. So, but that's a change that I feel like I need to see it happening in the near future.
Okay, so what would you say makes Kasi football different from professional football?
Okay, I would say it's more of mood here, and then and then it goes by those that need it most. They'll go and push. You understand? The talent that we have will go and go extra mile. You can have Muti, but at the end of the day, the team is not doing anything. Like you don't have good players and stuff. But if you have quality and then you're pushing with Umuti, maybe then you can push. You understand? So, but at a professional level, there's more of tactical aspects. You have to keep structure. You have to take instruction from your coaches or maybe the technical team. But like us, so is that something? There's a difference, but talent. Like us, it's just the moment you take that particular talent like us, we are professional level. I told those coaching there like better than what we're giving them here. He will change and be someone else. You understand? The difference is there. And then a professional at some point, Bamaki space, no space, man to man. So that's what I'm saying. The difference is there. You understand? Yes.
Okay, so coach, as you can see, they're young boys here and you're a coach. What are the words you can give them? Because clearly they're here because they want to reach a point where they play football. So what are the words of encouragement you can give these young boys and a community in a whole?
First thing first, if you want to be successful in football, you need to have discipline, and then you have to dedicate yourself and then go to training, go learn. No matter it's at amateur level, go learn. The moment when you get that those aspects, then that's when, if you are talented enough, or even maybe
like let's say you're ready to go somewhere, then you'll be explored, you'll go to those channels and stuff. You understand? That's what I feel like. If you are a young boy, you need to take those particular steps and stuff. But the moment you start giving yourself, you're going to I don't say they don't have to date, but the moment you change ladies and stuff, at the end of the day, career, I manage all those things. You understand? But if you're having a lady one, and then from there you dedicate yourself to skiing training, or attend a game, you get a chance, you perform to your level best, then that's it. Then someone else, you'll never know who's watching, can take you and then you go somewhere.
Congratulations, Coach, once again in your win. We admire your work and we support you. We are behind you. Thank you so much for grooming the boys and giving them the wisdom that they need in order for them to succeed. Keep up the good work, and we are rooting for you as a coach, Shema 2000, and as a team as a whole. Thank you so much for your time also. Yeah, God bless. Sawubona Bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila mama. Igama nguThabang ne. But abantu abane bangazi ngoMakaplani. I'm the tournament organizer ya Lebogang Bhiwo Mabojas football tournament. As we're heading over to second annual of the tournament, the main purpose of the tournament is to uplift the community on its own and take kids away from the street and reduce the high number of substance abuse ekasi. When kids are coming to the field of play, some of them they get inspired, but baphume away from our substance abuses. So what I can say, there are those teams that are coming out in numbers to donate sanitary towels. Those are the ones that we're taking them and we donate it to the privileged kids, to different schools. We want to say thanks to them. As we started our second annual, what we realized that the number of people who are supporting the tournament is keep on increasing. What I would like to say is thanks to the community of Ivory Park as a whole for supporting the tournament too and making it grow and go bigger.
Well, I didn't even get a chance to ask you questions, but like you have summed up everything that I had hoped to ask you. What I'd ask you is, since you've started organizing this tournament, what are some of the difficulties you have faced as an organizer?
Our challenges are always there and there. What I can say, in our first annual, we had much large challenges whereby this year at Zamogwa improve. More special Kwamanyama team whereby some of them are failing to settle their affiliation fee. And once the team are failing to settle their affiliation fee, it definitely affects the first prize and the second prize, including third and fourth. But this year we've tried by all means, which is push our team, which are keep a one affiliation fee. And definitely this year, the team's gonna pay it in time and avoid my excuses and all of that. That's what I can say, that this year will really improve a lot. And more especially to support, I will say. It was a bit challenging to market the tournament on its own last year because a large number of people are pitch happy to support the tournament. But this year we've tried by all means to see market them more, and we go out and invite people from different communities to come and support the tournament. So I would like to say thanks to them. Let's keep coming and support the tournament. Here's we're handing over to last 16 of the tournament. Let's come in numbers to support Bibo as a soccer player, Marumo Galant. He's doing this for the community and also is doing this for people who are outside to come and enjoy football, come and engage with other people and make friends. That's part of football on its own.
We thank you so much for the work that you are putting into putting a positive impact to community. We need more people like you guys, and we urge you guys to not stop doing Lento Lena Intle. And we thank you for the hard work and the positive mindset you are bringing to the young kids. All we can say is we wish you nothing but the best in your tournaments, and we wish and we hope to see more growth from you guys. Thank you so much for your time also.
Ngiyabonga. Community se-Ivory asiyenzeni lento bafethu, lento yomphakathi sayenza lento Lebogang Bhiwo Mabojas football tournament. Danko.
Ngicela ukubuza la. Ngine-message for Thembazwane, nidlale kahle ngegoli ka Silebelebe lapha ya. Khosi Williams nimmoshile ngokumpompa. Danko.
What is Pete uDenabele? But me now, I'm not going to do the
It's your boy all day, every day, the narrator,
sihlala siyenza each and every day, all day, every day.
So, Keme, please tell us about the experience yakho. What is it like one thing or the few things only you show
First things first, I would like to talk about the management of the tournament. Lebogang Bibo Mabucha, God is so wonderful. So you've seen him play the Kasi, you've seen him getting in and out of NFT, going inside and out of ABC. Today is in PSL. I understand the signing a contract which and for the picture which he can come back Kasi and do what he was doing when he was to PSL. It just gives us that point of view which why not? You get the point, because at some point at the end of the day, Lebogang, we saw you play, we saw you doing your thing at the pitch, and then today we get to witness you on TV. We get to we just stay at home and watch you. Like that's like an achievement. First things first, if I would talk about the management of the tournament. Then the tournament itself, I would say it's a very underrated tournament, but then it's respect. We may say it's the second annual actually, and then not much things are achieved in the tournament and not many things are done in the tournament, but then you can see which one way or the other at the end of the day, Bibo Mabucha's tournament will be at the end of the day one of the biggest tournaments in Tembisa.
Okay, tell us about your favorite player yako and favorite team yako in this tournament.
So in this tournament, Kasi tournaments, I've always supported Ama 2000, and then my favorite player Alaska Kutangetolo, he knows Oguchi Island, One Love, One Frostan, you know, halala. So at the end of the day, that's it. Ama 2K, Alaska. Yes.
Manje wena la liyavuka vele ibhola or
liyavuka angeke kube nekwekwe lingavuka wenza njani?
Okay, so why are you not playing when? Or do you play?
I do play. It's just that you know the sense of football. Not everyone gets to be, what can I say? Not everyone gets to be praised. Not everyone gets the chance to play in front of 1,000 of people, maybe like 500 people. You understand? I played. You can't sing football or you don't know football. You can't commentate football. You don't know football. That's the thing.
Okay, speaking about singing, that's when uyinja yegwiju yebo. So mina manje ngizokugaya thingithi task yebo kuthi ushaye mhlambe like ngama notes nyana 4-5 notes nje yebo. Yeah.
Amalanga awafani lyochika lelifili iyo malchika nizokhala ngoba amalanga yawafani mani chika nalifili iyo maseli chikivili nizokhala Mama vulela mandwendwe vulela mandwendwe vulela mandwendwe. Yo, it's your boy all day every day, Keme the narrator, you know.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you nothing but the best and success when it comes to your creative and ilontuzana impilo yakho.
Thank you very much. Thank you at home. Make sure you never stop watching. Ciao.
Thank you so much for tuning in until the end. We have reached the end of our video. Thank you so much for the endless support. Thank you so much for the patience and for the encouragement that you guys are giving us. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please do not forget to follow us on our socials on Speak and Frostan Diski Podcast. We love you. Stay blessed.